Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Now, tremendous backlash from the public, but the Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports Ministry, they are seeking to clear the air by addressing concerns in regards to the $5,000 donation for Etana's upcoming 32-city tour. In a press conference yesterday, Senior Director for Entertainment in the ministry, Dillian Wilkinson McDaniel, reinforced their stance on the controversial tour support program.
We require that every person who gets support from us as the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, and in particular in entertainment, that you're registered as a bona fide cultural practitioner. We also look at who are you touring with. So for example, in this case, Etana is touring with J Boog and Jesse Royal. And so those are some of the things that the board would consider. So we're looking at expected audience reach in relation to the venues, in relation to the destination that they're going to, and your social media and marketing plan.
According to the ministry, the tour support program is an initiative put forward to promote brand Jamaica through entertainment overseas. Etana is not the first artist to receive this grant, as reggae band Raging Fire was also supported by the program. Reggae album Tropical House cruises to Jamaica. Currently it sits in the #1 spot on the Billboard Reggae album chart after just 5 weeks on the charts. The album has overthrown Damian Marley's Grammy-winning Stony Hill, which now sits at #2. Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica was released in January by Contractor Music Group and Amada Records and features a compilation of 15 songs. Among its tracks are Paradise by Safari featuring Sean Kingston, Good Life by Rolly Fresh and Chronics, Rise Up by Sizzla and Tony D, Chances by Sean Kingston and Vibes Cartel, The Herbalist and Lee Scratch Perry, among others. Tropical House, however, has only sold 1,100 copies in comparison to Marley's 17,800 copies to date. As excitement grows for the carnival season, Bacchanal Jamaica will tonight launch its popular Friday night series with the inclusion this year of a breakfast and beach party, all under the theme Rebirth. Jetting into the island this morning was opening night DJs, the Miami Dream Team, fresh off the heels of Trinidad Carnival. The Miami Dream Team has high hopes for tonight's set and told E-Prime what patrons can expect.
Yo Jamaica, yours truly Steely Back Sinister, Miami's Dream Team live. We're live and here for Bacchanal opening night at the Mass Camp.
So we're bringing all the brand new music, we're bringing the energy, and it's the opening night for Bacchanal, and Jamaica Carnival is up next. So we're just bringing craziness tonight. It's going to be nice, it's going to be exciting, it's going to be vibes. Last year, the vibe and energy was amazing, so we know that the patrons it's going to be that type of energy tonight as usual, and Jamaica Carnival is growing, so they're getting more and more involved in it, so I think it'll be nice.
This will be the second time on the Mass Camp stage for DJs Sinister and Steely Back, who are from Trinidad but have been based in Florida for nearly 5 years. In 2007, the duo captured the hearts of the Jamaican audience as they not only rolled out huge servings of soca, but skillfully mixed in some reggae favorites and are expected to do the same tonight. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. See you at Bacchanal later.